Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install KM Video Player. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the Google search bar, you can type KM Player Download and press enter. So you'll get the first link. Number one video player for PC would be written. Okay, you need to click on the first link over here. You can see the download button for KMPlayer for Windows. Okay, so KMPlayer is basically a video player. It has support for 4K, 360 VR, 3D support. Okay, so we'll download. Click on this download button, then click over here download for KMPlayer. So our download will start. You can see here. Once the download is completed, you can click on open button. You will get a pop. Select yes. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it now. So our installer will start. Click on OK. It will take few. Okay. You need to click on next. Click I agree. On this screen, just click on next. Over here, if you want, you can change the installation directory. I'll keep the default one and click on install. So this will take a minute to get it installed. Alright, so our game player setup file has got installed. So I'll just untick this and click on finish. I'll close this web browser. Okay, so how you can start the game player? There are two ways. A desktop application, a desktop icon has got created over here. Okay, you can double click and launch it, or you can click on Windows and type game player. Okay, over here also you'll get an icon to open it. So for now, I'll double click on this game player button. So once you start for the first time, it is going to ask you with a pop-up, would you like to see clear higher resolution videos? Then let's set KMPlayer as your default media player. So I don't want to set KMPlayer as my default video player. So I'll select no. Okay. I'll make this full. To play a video, you need to double click on this black screen. Okay, it is going to give you an option. Then you can select a file, select your video file and click on open. Okay. I'll close the KMPlayer for now. That's all with the setup file, installation of the KMPlayer. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.